Hey everyone, my name is Nadia and welcome to the introduction video about the VEEVUS tech platform. This is an all-in-one solution which helps you manage your business smoothly and hassle-free. To store all information, all your contacts, you can create a website here, you can make sales here, you can schedule appointments, do your CRM and automate all your processes. So it's a great tool which gives you all these possibilities for free, and you save so much money by not paying tremendous amount of subscriptions to different services. So today I'm gonna give you a brief review of everything that's in the system. I will show my screen and we will go through all these great features together. So let's get it started. Okay, so firstly we are on the dashboard and here you can just see some stats about opportunities, conversion rates, your funnels that you can create here. You can use it as a task management system. You can see some reports like Google Analytics. You can connect Google Analytics. You can also connect analytics from Google Business Profile. You can connect Facebook ads, Google ads, and even make them directly from here. We will go to it later. Then we're going to conversations. So conversations is like a consolidated hub where you keep all your messages in one place from all the different sources. For example, text messages, emails, Facebook Messenger, Instagram Messenger, TikTok, whatever you can imagine. Imagine that you are running a fitness salon and you have some clients coming from Facebook and writing you there on the page. Some people are calling you or writing you text messages. And for some people, you need to send notifications about payments or something like that. And in this way, you don't need to be worried that you will lose some inquiries, that you will not check your inbox for a while and you will maybe miss some message, because everything is here in one place, whether it's from email, whether it's from text message, whether it's from Instagram DM. So you can see here like current conversations, which one you read, which one you didn't read yet, recent conversations, you can start some conversations, and so on. You can do some snippets. Snippets is like a template, for example, which you can add a snippet, add a text snippet, and this will be for SMS. So the name of the snippet will be reminder and hey, are you coming today? So this is a snippet, and here you can also connect a phone number, paid phone number, and it will send this SMS for you. And here how it works, you go to conversations and then you can here insert your snippet. It will find it later. Yeah, it's a great place to keep all your conversations together, as I said. Next thing is calendars. Calendars is also a consolidated system, again, to which you can connect a Google Calendar. And it's a two-way synchronization because you see it both on your Google Calendar and on your VEEVUS tech platform. Also, this calendar system lets you set up appointments. It lets you create customizable links that you can send to your clients with your availability. You can set up different appointments, like you can set up the time for, you have time slots for 30-minute appointment, or you have time for small 15-minute consultations. And also it works in this way that when you add something to your Google Calendar, you see it automatically here on your calendar. And also if something is added to this calendar here, you will see it in your Google Calendar, so you will not miss a thing. Example, you are running a consultancy agency and you have so many clients which are also located in different time zones, and you don't want to chase them with these annoying emails are you free Tuesday, this time zone? And they're like, no, what about Friday? And you don't have time on Friday. So in this way, you can actually send them the link with your availability. I will show you now. So you have different calendars, and let's see, it's a 30-minute consultation, and you can share the link. And this is the booking website that people, your customers, will see. So I've set up my availability only for these days. I also can customize it. I set here, for example, that I don't want people to book me more than 2 weeks in advance. You can set it up as you wish. Or I don't want people to book later than 1 day before the appointment. So then the client is booking, and automatically it creates them a link for the meeting. You can add your Zoom link, or you can connect to your Google Meets, whatever you are using. And then you can also embed it to your website. The website you can also build on the VEEVUS tech. I will show you shortly. And you can also ask people to pay, for example, for a consultation, if it's a paid consultation, directly from the booking. Let me show you real quick. So here we go to Edit, and you see here forms and payments. So you can add here a customizable form if you want to ask people what specifically their question is to you for this meeting. So before the meeting, you will know what the meeting is about, and you will not lose the time by this introduction, or you will not have the misunderstanding of what other people want. And you can connect a payment method, so the payment will be directly made through the booking system. Amazing feature to not have any overbookings, overlappings, and to not have these headaches on how to set up all these meetings at the same time. Next, let's move to the Contacts. Contacts is a CRM system, customer relationship management system, which lets you store all your contacts, all your clients in one place. The phone number, the name, the email, when the contact was created, and you can add tags to different contacts, and then by filters you can find whom do you want to see, and in this way you can see, for example, who is interested in your service, let's say, and you filter the people and you see all the people with the tag interested. How it can be useful? For example, if you're a real estate agent and you have more than 100 clients with different properties, with someone is selling, someone is buying, someone has different preferences, different budgets, someone needs to follow up, or you need to set an appointment with them. So by this CRM system, you can easily see them by tags. You can even send them emails from here. You can send them WhatsApp messages from here, or you can add them to automation system, which I will also show you later. Yeah, for that you need to select the people that you want to write email. For example, you want to send emails to all your clients who are interested in your services, and you select them. You press send email and you proceed with the email. It can be done like that, very easy. Or you can also select them again and add them to automation. I forgot to mention here about the contacts. A very important feature is tasks, because you can use VEEVUS Tech as a task management system as well. And the tasks are connected to contacts, which makes sense because you can assign your managers, your sales managers, to perform certain tasks regarding different contacts. For example, you can create new task, you can name the task like a follow-up, you can write the description, due date. If it's a recurring task which is happening once in a while, for example, they need to do the follow-up once in a week, you can manage it here. For example, once in a week, yeah, and you can assign it to the manager and which contact it is about. So this is how you use the task management. And also you can add not only just contacts but companies to your contact lists. So if you collaborate with some certain companies, you can add them here. You shouldn't be worried if accidentally you deleted some contact, because here you can restore the contacts. If something happened and you delete the contact, you will be able to see them here again. Then we are going to opportunities. Opportunities let you create different pipelines where you can track all your clients going through different stages, from new lead to a sold lead. Or you can add different pipelines, you can customize your pipelines. For example, this is an example of the John Doe AC company. So there is one pipeline for people with new inquiries and another pipeline for maintenance. And you can move people from your contact list, which we were talking about before, and it's very visually appealing, and also you can automate it really quickly. So how you can use the pipelines? For example, it can be an online marketing agency. They might create a pipeline with stages like new lead, discovery, call schedule, proposal send, negotiation, close contract. They won or lost the contract. By updating each contract status with opportunities, the agency gains immediate visibility into potential revenue, bottlenecks, and which leads need the most attention. Next is payments. Or in another way, it's a system which creates invoices. Also, you can track how much money was paid, how much is overdue, and some invoices can be in draft, which ones are received, which ones are sent. Again, it's a really visually appealing system to see everything in one place. Also, you can connect your payment system like Stripe or PayPal or whatever you are using, so it's really nicely integrated and synchronized. You can also create recurring invoices, you can create templates for your invoices, estimates of new invoices, you can create even contracts and send contracts from this system. You can create templates again for these contracts. And for example, if you are selling a course, you can create a subscription, for example, on the monthly base. So you can add a customer here and send them when they should pay the subscription. Or if it's a one-time payment, you can also ask them to make an invoice from the system directly, create new invoice, send new invoice, and it's open you this already pre-built template, so you don't really need to make much. Just add the details about the customer. If the customer is already in your system, it's super easy, and it should be like that. If you are working in the system like fully and you integrate all your processes in one place, this is what I do recommend you to do. So you add here the invoice number, you add product, what exactly you are selling, for which price, and it's done. And you can send it. You can see if they paid or not. So for sending, I need to add. So here I can integrate payment gateway. So it will be paid directly from here. You can add tax or without tax and so on. Here you can add different payment links. The links you can add to your website. You can see all the transactions that happen. You can actually even make your own products here if you are selling it on your website, or if it's a digital product, like I said, with a website. So you can do it here. You can check inventory of the products. You can check reviews to the products. From here, you can even send coupons for the new customers or for the returning customers. And yeah, here you can add all the integrations to the payment systems. And the system, of course, is automating all your payments and save time and minimize the errors. You can send client the quick payment link, which will be secure, and the client will be sure that they're paying you and everything is great, and you can see the transaction history in the dashboard. And not only does it streamline the collection process, but it also provides ease for customers who can pay directly from one place. Next feature is marketing, which is also a hub for all your marketing activities like SMS marketing, email marketing, social media marketing, and you can connect here all your social media pages. You can do the scheduling of the posts. You can also even set up the new ads directly from here. You don't need to go to Facebook or to Instagram to do that. So you do it all from one place. And you know, there are also different apps for scheduling the posts. And here you don't need to pay for those apps. That's amazing. So here you can go to email campaigns and emails. You can build like from templates. Here you can create a new template or import template, or you can see what email marketing templates are already available in the system. So let's choose the first one. Continue. So this email template I can now customize, and when I am sending the new email, I will use it in future. So let's say I like this for my course and I want to use it. And I can add it also to my automation system. Other features include countdown timers, which you can add to your website. You can add links. You can make an affiliate marketing links. Affiliate marketing has the whole dashboard. For example, if you're selling a course and you have some other people who are recommending your course and you want to thank them and you want to create this system of affiliates who are recommending your course to other people, so you will give them specifically their own links that they will use, and you can track here payouts for these affiliates. Like if someone made you a new client, you are paying them 20% from this new client. And here you can see how much revenue was generated, what is conversion, how many customers, and track how many affiliates were paid. So here you can add your visual identity of your brand. You can also choose from the ones that already exist in here, if you like them, or you can create your own visual identity, which then will be used with all your marketing campaigns and other tools. And from here, you can set up an email marketing campaign. For example, let's imagine that you are a trainer, a fitness trainer, and you want to make an email marketing campaign for all your clients that you are starting a new course, and you can run it from here. And you can also automate it. You can create like how many emails you want to send, how they will be looking, and when they will be sent, so you don't need to do it every time by yourself. And then you can see the statistics of this email marketing campaign, how many people opened your proposition, how many people clicked, and how many people made orders, because again, you can add the payment exactly to your email, so people can make the payment there. So it will be already like a small landing page, let's say, but from the email. Next, we can see automations or workflows. About the automation and workflows, we will have the whole big video, which will be more in detail. But if saying in general, automation is when you have the trigger, for example, a submitted form on the website or a booked appointment, and this trigger will trigger some actions which the system will make for you automatically. These are some reoccurring triggers. For example, you don't need to do automatically reminders to the people about appointments. If you have this trigger set up, after someone set up an appointment, you can send them the email confirmation. Here is an example of this kind of a workflow. Appointment was booked, the system creates an opportunity, then sending an email confirmation to the client, and you are all set. Another example, if you are, let's say, running a website and you have a form submitted on your website and you want all clients who submitted that form to send them an email with saying thank you for sending an email and with a coupon code. So you can set it here as an automation, or you can also add here as another action, create contact. So the system will create a contact, and then this new user also can be assigned to one of your managers if you want that. So this is an example of the workflow. If someone submitted a form and the form was a trigger, and all of these things are actions which are happening automatically really fast at the same time, and these are some reoccurring actions. Here you can create your own workflows for your specific needs, or there are also many different templates that already are pre-made and pre-built for you that you can use for your business. For example, this recipe for IVR. This looks like a huge and complicated recipe, but trust me, it's quite simple to understand, and I will cover it up for you in another video about workflows. Next, we've got sites, which includes funnels, websites. You can create your store here. You can create a page for webinars, blogs. You can connect your WordPress and many more. And website is a really easy tool here, which you can use for dragging and dropping, and you don't even need to write a single line of code. There are many of pre-built templates, for example, like this one. You just press edit, and then it's just as easy as I said. You can write your own text here. You can change an image for your image, and you can add all your information and build it even for mobile mode or for the desktop mode, how you prefer it. You can connect and link your social media pages here as well, and publish website. And the best part is that VEEVUS is hosting it for you for free without extra charge. And you can connect your custom domain and do your customizable website in just minutes. It's that easy. Funnels is basically creating a landing page for you. You can create a new funnel from blank, from scratch, or from other templates. Again, it's very similar to websites, but it's specifically, for example, if you want to launch a new product, and you can create a landing page, a checkout page, and a thank you page in a few seconds here in this system. And as I said previously, VEEVUS Tech will host it for you. Here is the page where you can create your online store as well. It's the same, really easy. You can host your webinars here. Here you can also see the analytics of your websites or your store or the funnels that you created. Here you can create your blogs, SEO optimized blogs. You can write them and publish them directly here. You can schedule the posting. And also, if you already have a website, let's say on the WordPress, you can connect it and you don't need to build it from scratch. You can just move it from WordPress to this system and it will be all integrated here. Also, for this website, you have a dashboard with the clients, and you can even build an app, which is crazy to think, because you don't really need to know how to build an app. It helps you generate the app, and then you can set it up and create your brandings. You can build your forms, which also can be integrated to your website. You're creating, for example, a contact form, which can work as a link form. You can also integrate it. Here you can press integrate to the website, for example, like a sidebar, a pop-up, an inline, and then it gives you a code. You can customize it, like add different buttons, add, for example, your address, and so on and so forth. And you can change the labels here, how you see it for your best. Let me show you also some templates, pre-built templates. Here are all the templates for different industries. For example, if you're in the beauty industry, here you can see the templates which are already pre-built for the beauty industry, for a barber shop or for the salon. Here you can also see the analytics from the forms, how many responses, total views, how much time people spent on the form. Actually, it's really good to analyze and see how you can improve and how many people submitted. And you can see here all the submissions to the forms. You can create surveys. Surveys are similar to forms, but they are more interactive, and quizzes are the most interactive because in the end they give the result to the client, and it's a really cool way to maybe attract new clients. And you can even create here a chat widget. For example, for your website, you can generate here a chat, live chat, SMS chat, WhatsApp chat. So for example, you can connect your WhatsApp and then it will pop up on your website that contact us 24/7 if you have any question. So the client can write their question directly there and you will receive a notification here in the VEEVUS platform. And of course, you can create QR codes, really easy, and it's also super easy to understand it. So you don't need to be really a specialist. Next thing is memberships, and it's a great portal if you have some gated content. For example, you are running a course and you have different subscription plan for the course. So here you can track how many people enroll to the course to see and to make the system of the course. For example, the sequence of videos of the course that you want to create, and different subscriptions types of the people can see different type of content depending on what they pay. You can also here see the communities. It's like a Facebook group, let's say, but it's a gated group with only people from your community. You can track their progress here. For example, if you're giving them some home task, if they created it or not. And in the end, they can even receive certificates to feel better after achieving the course. And the certificates and all of that you can actually also add to the automation system. So sometimes you can do it on your own manually and see the progress of people, or sometimes you can just automate it. And again, you can create here a mobile app, which is a great way for people to see all your content. For example, you can also sell here like your course on how to cook or your special recipes here. Of course, it's also pre-built analytics for the courses. Course progress, as I said, you can track progress of all your learners. Assessments, view and assess results of what people submitted, for example, how their progress is going. Analytics of all members, and revenue analytics of how much money you made from this course. And from the dashboard, you have the client portal. You can invite new people or you can remove people from the course when it's over. So with all these cool features, you can maintain the engagement in your course and you can make sure that people are happy with what they're receiving, and also that you're not losing any new opportunities or you're not lost in the process. Next is media storage, and basically it's how you think it is. It's a storage for all your medias like images, videos, PDF files, all that you're using on your website, on the courses. Maybe you have them in your store. Or for example, if you're running a funnel marketing campaign, then you don't need to go in some other places to find your marketing videos. You have them all here. And thanks to VEEVUS Tech platform, It is hosted here for free for you, and you know where to find everything, and you can easily upload. You can also connect your Google Drive. For example, I have connected my Drive here, and you can take some pictures from other websites if you want to take for your website, like Unsplash. It's like a bank of images where you can get them free of copyright and actually free of charge lots of times. So yeah, it's a great place to manage and store all your content that you are using in your business. Next, reputation. Reputation is another game changer feature for those business owners out there. For example, if you're running a restaurant or a coffee place and you can connect Facebook reviews here, Google reviews here, and you can manage them here all in one place, and how it can be beneficial for you. For example, you want to address right away some negative reviews or some positive reviews. If your competitors are not doing that, or if someone was not so happy, for example, with their coffee today, and let's say they gave you 3 stars, you want to see that right away, and you want to reply to their comment, propose the coupon, propose the free coffee, and this will really help to maintain relationship with your client and bring more customers, because reviews are something that is building your reputation. So here again, you can connect different places where reviews are given, and also you can send a review request. So for example, if someone, let's say, used your service and they really enjoyed it and you want them to ask kindly to leave you a Google review, you can do it here. So you can write a contact name, which is already included in your contact list. And then it will send them an SMS or email or a WhatsApp with the request of the review, and they will get this link plus notification to leave you the review. So this is definitely a nice feature to check out. And then here you will see all your reviews, and also you can add the widget to your website with the reviews that are already existing on the Google Maps, on the Google Reviews, or on Facebook, because it's like, again, really beneficial for you to have, for example, a nice rating and you want to show it on your website. It's something to be proud of. So new customers will trust you. So you are building your trustfulness. Yeah, and you can add this widget to your website, and here in the settings you can connect all your pages and see the SMS requests and email requests. And here are the reportings, which gives you a review of all the essential metrics about your business. You can create your report, for example, of how your funnel did, how many people open your email, or how many people view your website. So here you can see how you can make, for example, a funnel one, and you can add it here, and it will actually take the actual information for the existing funnels. So currently I don't have one, but this is one way of how you can do it. So also you can see Google Ads reports. Again, you can connect Google Ads to your existing website, Facebook Ads reports, attribution report. Call reports is how many people called, first-time callers, what's the status of the call, all of this useful information, so you can see how your business is going. About appointments, how many appointments were booked, confirmed, cancelled, new appointments, showed up people, no show, invalid. So this connects your calendars that I showed before. And again, reporting feature works really well if you are running a marketing agency, for example, and you have multiple clients' accounts and you generate different data. So really, in minutes, you can create these reports and show to your clients, so they will gain more confidence and see how their investments are going, how is going with the success of their marketing strategy, if they want to change anything in their marketing strategy, or if you are moving in the right direction. And of course, you would want to check out the settings. It's actually the place where you should go firstly when you are starting with the VEEVUS tag to set up all the information about your business, so it's all automatically going directly and all the data is going to your email templates, to your website, to your contact information, and so on. So for example, you can add your logo, the name of your brand, your location, so you don't need to type in later. So I do recommend to go to settings first, business profile, my profile, your billing setting. So you can add here some people that are working with you, so your staff, you can add employees here, and then you can manage the people in the teams. So you can also set up some automations here, like if you want to receive email notifications by default if something is going wrong or someone is added to the platform, so you can set up here as a business owner. So here you can actually also pause some workflows. It's one of the way of doing it. Here you can connect the calendars. If you need to connect your Google Calendar or other things. Here you will want to connect your phone number if, for example, you're running some automation connected to calling people, then you need to have the phone number. So here you can connect your domain to your website that you already have. So you can also generate some URL redirections. For example, if you have some name of the website that you used before and you change the name of the website, you can set it up here. So different integrations, again, to Google, Facebook, Instagram, Stripe, Shopify, Slack, LinkedIn, TikTok. These are all the opportunities of integrations. So please set it up before starting the work actually. You can set up here the tags. If you want to create a new tag that you want to use for your contacts, for example. And here you can also find your brand book, which also is in the marketing. So some things are actually repeating from the settings in other tabs, but definitely look at the settings first. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that I managed to cover all the basic features of VEEVUS tag, and see you in another videos where I am going to show you how to use automation systems, also how to use the calendar and pipeline or CRM feature. So thank you again and see ya.